If you're looking to shoot video of hanging earrings, pendants, chains, or watches, the Aerial Turntable for the GemLightBox is a must-have, and it's quick and easy to set up. The GemLightBox Aerial Turntable is a plug-and-play solution inside of the GemLightBox, designed for capturing hanging jewelry in style. It's easy to use, no setup or training is required. Simply power on and connect via the GemLightBox application. The mobile app works on both Android and iOS operating systems. Using Bluetooth, you can control the turntable and capture 360-degree videos simply, all with your smartphone. Take advantage of this innovative solution. The GemLightBox offers perfect lighting conditions, which allows you to capture accurate colors and shiny metals. Most importantly, it provides a completely white background for consistency. Your GemLightBox Aerial Kit comes with 3 accessories that let you capture photos and rotating videos of necklaces, hoop and drop earrings, and watches while hanging or dangling. Gone are the days of photographing your jewelry lying down at an unflattering angle. With GemLightBox, the solution is just a click away. Try it now and start sharing your beautiful videos and images with the world. Using the Aerial Turntable for the GemLightBox, you will create jewelry images and videos that sell. Order yours today at Stuller.com/tools.